Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for You, and in today's video I am sharing first impressions I had with Micromax Canvas Express 4G Q413. Micromax launched the Canvas Express 4G in India at a price tag of ₹6599 and it is available exclusively on Flipkart. It comes with Airtel double data offer. It's a 4G LTE smartphone. Talking about the specifications, it features 5-inch HD IPS display and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The resolution is 1280 by 720 pixels. There is no problem with the display and the resolution, and above all it has good viewing angle with minimum bezels. Above the display there is a 2 megapixel front facing camera with range of sensors, speaker grill, and below the display there are capacitive buttons. On the right hand side there is a power key and volume key made up of metal, and on the left hand side there are no physical buttons. The frame is made up of metal. On right and left hand side there is a push button by which you can remove the back panel of the device. At the back there is a 8 megapixel camera with OmniVision sensor with LED flash, and there is a Micromax logo with a speaker. There is a mic at the bottom, and at the top there is a 3.5mm audio jack with micro USB slot for charging the device. Talking look about the build quality. The build quality of the device at a price tag of ₹6599 is pretty good, and you can easily hold the device with a single hand, and if you will not find any problem with that it is made up of cheap material or anything. It offers a premium feel considering the price tag. By moving the back panel, you will get the access to the 2000 mAh battery, dual SIM and micro SD card. According to Micromax, the battery offers full day uses, and it has connectivity features like 4G LTE on one SIM while the 2G or 3G on other SIM. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth 4.0 and GPS connectivity. And by tapping on notification toggle panel, you will get access to few settings. As you can see that tapping on settings button, you will get all the settings available on the smartphone. It runs on Android version 5.1. It's a stock Android and there is no customized version. Apart from this, there is a Micromax Q413 model number which I already shared with you. It is powered by 1.0 GHz quad-core MediaTek MT6735P processor, which is paired with Mali T720 GPU. It has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. The inbuilt memory can be expanded further up to 32 GB. That's a huge point. It comes preloaded with the number of applications, and if you are on a limited data, then there is a problem while updating all the applications. Apart from this, there is a 2 megapixel front facing camera and 8 megapixel back camera. According to Micromax, the camera quality of the device is good. I haven't tested the camera quality as of now. We'll share the camera quality once tested. It's a dual SIM GLT device with 5-inch HD IPS display, and considering the look and feel and the pricing, it's a pretty good device, and you can easily buy it by logging into Flipkart. We'll share more about the device in another upcoming video. Till then, do subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the video. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching.